guys, and welcome back to my channel. So what the heck? So sorry about the slime pressing video. My camera got to 5%. So the video just kind of ended, but yeah. So I am just gonna show you some of my slime, and I have a big announcement coming up. I just haven't finished the whole thing yet, so I can't really tell you until it's up. But yeah, let's get on with the video. So first, if you haven't seen my slime pressing video and you don't know why I don't have my glasses on, it's because I left them at someone else's house. Yeah. Well, it accidentally fell in their purse and then they left. But I'm gonna get them back soon. So the first slime that we have, this one, it's not meant for stretching, but I could make it stretchy. It's just not meant to stretch. So like I said, this one isn't meant for stretching, but I mean, it can stretch quite a bit. And sorry if the lighting is going on and off. But what I like about this one is, I mean, I wouldn't call it holographic, but I mean, I use Pearlex powder, so it's very shiny and Pearlexy. But the thing that I like about it is if you kind of just swirl it around, I guess, and then kind of smush it together, you could see the lines. And yeah, I just really like this slime because it's just meant for kind of playing around with. It's for the third time, it's not meant for stretching. And I used clear glue so I could kind of see through it. But yeah, so that's that slime. I totally forgot to mention that this slime is called Rose Gold Dreams. So yeah, that's what that slime is called. And then this next slime that we have, I was playing with it earlier, so it's not fully clear, but it's called Flamingo Slime, and it's pink. It looks kind of different on camera than it does in person. But yeah, just the bubbles, since, like I said, since I was playing with it earlier, the bubbles haven't really cleared up because I was just playing with it an hour ago or something. But yeah, it's still kind of see-through. And this one I kind of overactivated, so if you think it's not that stretchy, it's just because I overactivated it. But I could make other batches, obviously, and I used a whole bottle of clear Elmer's glue and then filled that bottle up with water, so it kind of doubled the amount. I actually filled half of it up. But yeah, it's called Flamingo Slime. This one that I'm just about to show you is melted, and normally it's blue. I just haven't got a chance to reactivate it. But it's called Ocean Breeze, and like I said, normally it's blue, but it's kind of clear and you could barely see it because it's clear. it just like makes the container look foggy, but so I'll play with a chunk of it. Like I said, it got very melted. So yeah, that's that slime. Okay, and this next slime is called, I haven't decided, okay, it's called Playdate. And the reason why it's called that is because it really reminds me of Play-Doh. And like my little sister has playdates with her friends all the time. And they always play with Play-Doh. But it is a butter slime. And it comes in all different colors. And in the slime pressing video I used this exact slime. I just colored it last night. And this one isn't currently scented, but usually it's scented with its color. So like if it's orange, it'll be orange. If it's pink, it'll be peach. If it's purple, it'll be grape, and blue is usually blue raspberry. But like I said, this isn't currently scented, so it's just super stretchy, and I love spreading this slime. Once again, this slime that I'm about to show you isn't currently scented, but normally it's scented with a marshmallow and vanilla scent. And if it's not fully clear, it is because I was playing with it earlier, and it has kind of a creamy look to it. But it is called Rice Krispie Treat. And because of the ingredients I added, it smells really good without the scent. Sorry. But I just love the texture of it. It's so fun to play with, and clearly it's a foam slime. And it stretches really good, but it like if you're into slime pressing, it's probably not a good slime pressing one because it's a foam slime, but I wouldn't know because I've never slime pressed foam slime. But yeah, this one might be my favorite. I just like really, really like it. That was just some of my slime that I reviewed today, and if you want to see more of these videos or you liked this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please click that subscribe button and notification if you already haven't. So yeah, that's it for today. Bye!